Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrisons block. It's a Monday morning, it's blowy and it's rainy. So ride along with me, we'll see how we get on and see if it's worth it. So we've got 8 stops. 3 of them are only 1 parcel each, but then there's a 10 and a 9 and then a couple of 3s as well. 33 parcels altogether. At least they're actually all quite close together for the deliveries, so it's not too bad. Let's get delivering. Morning.
Thank you. How many packs?
10 altogether.
Oh, 10.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you.
Okay, I get the rest. There we go, all done for you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay,
There we go.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Yeah. Thanks.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hello, got your Morrisons for you.
Thank you very
Careful,
much.
it's a bit heavy.
Morrisons?
Yes.
I didn't order Morrisons.
Sure, through Amazon.
Oh God, yeah. Yes. Oh my God. Thank you.
Okay.
So it's
Jacob. Thank you.
so sweet, lovely.
Yeah.
I'll drop him a message.
Yeah. Thanks. For apartment 14, it's Morrisons.
Take it down to him.
Yep, which way?
That way to the right.
Okay, thank you.
Well, yeah.
That's sorry.
Right. Hello. Got your Morrisons for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, check that. Let's see. Do you want me to put them inside for you? Where's the year? 48? You're not that old. You don't look that old. But that's on my safe. I'll pull this if you want. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Where would you like me to put them? Just down here. Super. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello there, got your Morrisons for you. 3 more for you. There we go, all done. Cheers. Yeah, you too. So that was another 2-hour Morrisons, paying £45. Completed in an hour and a half. That makes it about £30 an hour. It was a bit wet, a bit rainy, but the drops were close together. I used a bit of fuel going to the first stop, and then everything else was on electric. So the electrics cost me less than £1 to do all the deliveries. Was it worth it? Yes, it was worth it. That's all for today. See you next time.